how to turn off Samsung feed on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. First you have to go to settings, then scroll down and you will find home screen. Tap on it. Now from here you just need to scroll a little down and you will find app media page or to home screen. You just need to tap on it and you will find you just enable Samsung free. This is the settings that we are looking for. This is the Samsung feed that you get from here, as you can see, like this. If you swipe it from all the way from this right side, then you'll find the Samsung feed from here. If you set it to your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, so if you want to disable it, so you can simply tap on this toggle button and it will turn off, and then you can find any feed at the most left side of your screen, home screen. Then you also can turn on it and change it to Google device, just Google Discover. Then you won't get the Samsung feed, but you will get Google feed instead. You can search from here, from Google here, and some latest news from Google. That's how you can turn off Samsung feed on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.